Good morning, dear parents. A very happy morning. I hope all are fine and safe. In this video, we are going to see about demonstratives. Demonstratives are nothing but this, that, these, those. Demonstratives are used to point out a specific people or specific objects. Before going into these concepts, you please explain your child about singular and plural. What is singular? What is plural? We'll just see now. Look at this picture. Here there is only one sketch. Here more than one sketches. One object, more than one object. So if the object is one, singular noun. If the object is more than one, plural noun. One sketch, singular. More than one sketches, plural. One chalk piece, singular. More than one chalk piece, plural. One pencil, singular. More than one pencil, plural. One ice cream stick, singular. More than one ice cream stick, plural. One binder clip, singular. More than one binder clip, plural. Now we'll see the term this and these. Look at here. Only one object is placed which is near to me. So I am using the term this. This is a sketch. This is a sketch. And look at here. More than one objects. More than one objects which is placed near to me. So I am using the term these. These. These are sketches. These are sketches. Only one object placed near to me. So I am using the term this. This is a sketch. More than one object placed near to me. These are sketches. Look at here. The same sketches are placed far. Are placed far away. Only one object placed far away. So I am using the term that. That. That is a sketch. Look at here. More than one objects arranged far away. So I am using the term those. Those. Those are sketches. Those are sketches. We'll see some more examples. Here only one chalk piece arranged near to me. This is a chalk piece. More than one chalk pieces arranged near to me. These are chalk pieces. Look at here. Only one object, that is ice cream stick, arranged far away. So we use the term that. That is a ice cream stick. More than one ice cream sticks arranged far. We use the term those. Those are ice cream sticks. Okay. This is a chalk piece. That is a ice cream stick. These are chalk pieces. Those are ice cream sticks. Dear parents, the same way you please explain your child where to use the word this, that, these and those. Now we'll see some examples from books. Take a page number 43 in my workbook. Read, recognize and trace sentences with this and these. Encourage your child to do these exercises. Look at this picture. Only one object. So we are using the term this and which is arranged near to us. So this is a pencil. The same only has been written here. So encourage your child to trace on the letter T H I S. This is is a. This is a pencil. Pencil. P E N C I L. Pencil. This is a pencil. Next, look at this picture. More than one object, that is two pencils are there. So we have to use the term these. Why? Because it is arranged near to us. So these are pencils. These, T H E S E. These are A R E are pencils. P E N C I L S. Pencils. Since it is a plural, we have to add S at the end of the word pencils. These are pencils. These are pencils. Next, what picture is this? Hen. Only one hen is there. So we have to use the term this. This is a hen. Look at this picture. More than one hens are there. So we have to use the term these. These are hens. This is a hen. These are hens. The same way you have to trace and write. Next, what picture is this? Ant. Ant. This is only one ant and which is placed near to me. So we have to use this is an ant. Why we are using the an here? A-N, an. Since A is a vowel, so before vowel we have to write an. Okay. So that's why this is an ant. Look at this picture, more than one ant. So we are using these. These are ants. These are ants. Look at this picture, dog. Only one dog placed near to me. So this is a dog. Here more than one dog placed near to us. So we are using these. These are dogs. The same way you have to trace on the letter and complete this exercises. Next, in the same book, take a page number 44. That is the next page. Trace sentences using that and those. That and those. Look at this picture. Only one cup is here, but it is placed far away. It is placed far away. So we are using the term that. That is a cup. And next, more than one objects placed far away. So we are using the term those. Those are cups. Since it is a plural, we are adding s at the end of the word. Those are cups. Now we'll write that. T H A T. That is. That is a cup. C U P. Cup. That is a cup. Next, those are cups. T H O S E. Those are. A R E. Those are cups. C U P S. Cups. Those are cups. The same way you have to complete all other exercise. I have done one exercise for you. The same way you please encourage your child to complete other exercises. This page shows the completion of exercises. That is a nut. Those are nuts. That is a duck. Those are ducks. That is a car. Those are cars. So this is the explanation about the demonstratives. That is this, that, these and those.